Hello and welcome to the first video of our C# 12 course. I'm excited to introduce to you this powerful and versatile programming language, which is C#, and to show you how it can help you create amazing things. Okay, the goal of this course will be to master the new features of the C# programming language latest update, which is the C# 12 version. So, you may ask, who is this course made for? This course is ideal for beginner programmers with no prior coding experience in any programming language at all. It will also be useful to programmers transitioning from other programming languages, such as Python or perhaps Java. In addition, web developers, game developers, as well as software developers aiming to upgrade their C# skills can take this course as well. Some of the benefits on taking this course includes the fact that you will master the C# 12 key features. You'll build a strong foundation on core concepts and best practices, ensuring you a solid C# development skills. You'll also prepare for real-world applications of C# through integrated projects throughout the course. And finally, you'll gain a competitive edge that is turned out in the job market by mastering this sort of programming language, which is C#. With no further waste of time, let's dive into the video, which is Overview of C#. In this video, we'll go over the following topics to give you a solid foundation on C#, which are what is C#, we'll define it, and give a history of the programming language. Next, we'll explain the key features of C#. That's why you should learn C# with a number of supporting reasons. And finally, we'll list some applications built with C#, some very known and common ones. Let's get into it. Okay, imagine a versatile artist's toolbox packed with brushes, paints, and chisels. C# is your equivalent of a coding toolbox, allowing you to paint vibrant web applications, sculpt robust desktop software, and even craft captivating games. C# is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft, and this language is renowned for the following reasons. First off, we have its readability. The C# syntax resembles natural language, making it easier to understand and an easy-to-write language compared to other more cryptic programming languages. So you can think of it as writing instructions to your computer in English, with a sprinkle of technical magic into it. Next, we have its productivity. The C# language boasts of features like automatic memory management and powerful libraries, saving you time and effort compared to manually handling every technical detail, hence permitting you to focus on crafting your masterpiece, not getting bogged down into the nitty-gritty. And finally, we have the community. The C# programming language has a thriving and supportive community of developers ready to answer your questions, share resources, and help you overcome coding challenges. So, no need to go into it alone in this creative endeavor. So that was for an overview on the C# language. Now, let's get into the key features that make C# 12 stand out. The first feature we'll talk about is the primary constructors. Classes and structs can automatically initialize properties, streamlining object creation and making your code a lot more concise. Next, we'll go on the collection expressions. That's to say, building collections like arrays and lists become a lot more concise. The syntax is a lot more concise, hence reducing unnecessary lines of code and enhancing readability. Optional parameters in Lambda expressions, adding flexibility to your Lambda by. Specifying optional parameters make your code more adaptable and efficient. Next, we have the ref read-only parameters. We can modify function parameters within the function without affecting the original variable, leading to safer and more predictable code. And then finally, we have performance enhancements. The C# 12 optimizes common operations like method calls and property access, making your code run faster and smoother. Apart from the above listed features, there are a lot more. We can say the 5 we have talked about are the major. So next, we'll answer the question why you should learn C#. There are a lot of reasons as to why you as a programmer or beginner or intermediate should learn C#. And the first is that C# sees adversities, that is C# isn't limited to one domain, as it helps you build web applications, mobile apps, games, desktop software, and the like. The possibilities are simply endless with C#. Next, we'll say C# is a future-proof software or a future-proof programming language. As the C# programming language constantly evolves, bringing with it evolution, new features and updates, ensuring your skills remain relevant and valuable in the ever-changing technological landscape. Finally, C# is a highly demanded skill. That's the C# skills are highly sought after in the job market, which simply means learning C# opens your doors to exciting opportunities in various industries. From web development to game design, mastering C# equips you for diverse career paths. Okay, I hope you've been convinced to learn C# so far. But if not, we can list on some applications built with C#. The C#, as you have said earlier, can help build web applications. So the first we'll be talking about websites and web applications. From the e-commerce giants like eBay to social media platforms like LinkedIn, C# powers a back-end logic of countless websites and web applications. But these are just the most renowned. Next, we have desktop softwares like GIMP to productivity apps like Evernote. C# brings desktop software to life and offer a range of functionalities and user experiences. Okay, next let's move on to games. This part we won't say much. We'll simply talk about Unity, which is a popular game engine, and this popular game engine, which is Unity, will leverage C# for developing everything from mobile puzzle games to cheap console titles. We can also talk about enterprise application, as a lot of businesses rely on C# to build robust and scalable enterprise applications, which have handled everything from internal data management to customer relationship systems. Okay, this is just a glimpse into the vast world of C#. By learning C#, you gain the power to create, innovate, and shape the future of technology. Let's continue with this exciting journey in the upcoming videos, where we delve deeper into specific features and build real-world projects. That was it for the overview of C#. Thanks for watching.